Okay, so I got the vinyl siding that was left over stacked up underneath that right there. All right, covered up. I got these trees cut down, these box elder trees cut down over here. I got some more cut down out there. I got this eave trough up. I put tar paper down along the side right here to help keep the moisture away from the barn. I got my water catch right here, an old trash can that's all wore out with holes in the bottom, and that is working. I can see the drips coming down into it. And I didn't get anything over on this side, but the vinyl does go down below the footing, the foundation. Over on this side, I put 3-inch PVC pipe down. I put the vinyl down underneath there, then I put PVC pipe down because this side doesn't have eave trough yet. So any water that's going to come off is going to come down and hit that, and my idea is to hit the PVC pipe and help keep it away from the thing. Scraped out dirt away from the drive right here. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. Put a cement block right there so it'll catch the water coming off that, and it's working. Got this started here. And there's my blue door that's going to be going on. I got to call it quits because it's raining. I got to clean up inside, sweep it out, clean it out, and I'm just about ready to. It's 5 after 11. I should be able to be out of here by 11:30, 12 o'clock. All right. Did some cleanup, did some destruction. Like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications. REO-Outdoors. Small channels matter. It is beautiful here in the outdoors at deer camp.